What is up, guys? Ashley here, and I am back to show you another phase of my laundry room makeover, showing you how I installed this peel and stick tile. So, funny story about this peel and stick tile, it actually wasn't a part of my original design, but I'm so glad that I found these. I was at my local Home Depot and just happened to walk past them, and I'm so glad I did. So a couple of easy steps to install this tile. Once you remove the plastic and the paper backing from the back, you use a little bit of soap water, rub it on the back of the tile, and then you just place it on the wall. It is just that simple. And I know you're probably thinking, why are we putting water on the back? So when you put water on the tile, it lets you move the tile on the wall so it doesn't automatically stick, and this will save you, trust me. So make sure you put that soap and water on the back. You don't need a lot of soap in there. I used a little bottle of water and then put 2 tablespoons, and that worked fine for me. So there were some corner pieces that I had to cut, but the tile was super easy to cut. As you can see, I just used my bandsaw after I measured and then just put the tile into place. Now, as you can see here, this one was a little hard because I didn't notice that one of the tiles I had was actually crooked. So when you're getting your tiles, make sure that you have tiles that look straight. I had to maneuver this one a little bit because one of the tiles was crooked, and this will mess up the placement of your tiles and the look of it. So just make sure when you buy it from the store, it looks good, you check it out. Don't just grab them like I did. But if you do find this problem, just, get a screwdriver and, use that soap and water so that you can move the placement of the tiles. So I opted to use my Husky utility knife to cut out the holes for the sockets. You can use a jigsaw on this, and I did try, but the utility knife made sure that the tiles didn't break because the tiles are a little fragile when using bigger tools. And that's about it. This project really was a no-brainer. I'm sure a lot of people probably could tackle this. It only took me about an hour just to do all the cutting and get everything fitted. But I love the look of it. The only downside I would say is the price of these tiles. They are $14 a tile, which can get pricey for a bigger project. But I'm glad I went with it. I'm loving the look of it, and it was pretty easy. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more projects, tutorials, and more, check out handmade-haven.com. Later.